How to fix the pin option in Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram pin post is not showing, just like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so first, ensure you have the latest version of the app. Open Instagram and navigate to your profile. Find the post you wish to pin, tap on it, and then select the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose Pin to your profile from the menu. If the option is missing, it may be due to a bug or your app needing an update. To resolve potential issues, exit the app and check for updates in your device's app store. If an update is available, install it. After updating, reopen Instagram and try pinning the post again. If the problem persists, clear the app's cache. Go to your phone's settings, find Apps, locate Instagram, and select Clear Cache. Additionally, check your internet connection. A weak signal may prevent the pinning feature from working. If none of these solutions work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Some users have reported that logging in from a different device, such as an iPhone, allows them to pin posts when their Android device does not. If issues continue, report the problem to Instagram support for further assistance. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.